Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink, and you can see just I created a backlink for my another company, and you can see this is the description that I listed 3 backlink for my different websites. So you can see Jobma, Forge Space and Forge Space Tools. This is another backlink. So I created a multiple backlinks in this website. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is a 100% do follow backlink. And before this started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 70. And according to Moj, this website domain authority is 55. So now let's start. First thing, you guys will click on the join new viz, and there you can put your username. So like the ML training. There you can add your email address. Then after, you guys will choose your password. So I prefer you can use strong password there. Cause what is new? What happening? DML training email address. Then you guys will choose a strong password. Password for the preferred language. I don't know how I can use the auto password suggestion. Not getting there. Password generator, 8 characters. Let's generate the password. Let me use copy the password, copied, and I can paste it here. Please enter the password of between 4 and 20 characters using only letters, number, underscore, and hyphen.
MovieZoo is a revolutionary tool that makes animation easy.
I just created a backlink here, and let me check what password I used there. If I can go to the password and autofill, password manager, or why it not showing? Let me use this password because the same password I used for my different account. Okay. So you guys will try to create password. If I can show you how this password is looking. So you can see this password is looking like this. If you're wanting, I can also drop this password so it can help you to, you guys will create a quickly account in this website, because it's asking you to, you can create generate heavy passwords might be. After that, you can select the language, you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and after you can click on the join button. So you can see account is successfully created. After this site will send you the activation code, so you can check your Gmail. I received, and you can scroll something and you can see you can receive that kind of password, and after you can paste your password here. You can click on click the complete registration button. So you can see account is successfully created. Now you can click on your username. So you can see top of the menu section, you can click on your username, and after you can click on about, edit about me. So you can add some description about your brand. So this is description. 86 characters are left, so I can remove some characters. And what I can do, I can add here I can paste my website URLs. So this is my website URLs. This is my another website Forge. This is my another website Forge Space, and I have a YouTube channel. So I also prefer to, and if anybody have no idea about this channel, so I started this a new channel where I'm doing moto vlogging, like the travel blogging. So if anybody are comfortable to subscribe this channel, so this will these things will help me a lot. So if possible, you guys will also share your some supports on this channel. Okay, so I exceed my character limit. So what I can do, I can remove some text from there, from the description. Okay, then after I can paste my YouTube channel. So okay, so I pasted my URLs. Then after you can click on the save changes button, and now we can upload a profile picture. So from there we can choose the profile picture. After you can click on the update button. So you can see profile picture is also updated. Now we can explore if we have any another things. So upload a file, post and update. So there is an option to, you guys will post something. So suppose like what I can do, image to WebP converter. Let's try. And if I can put my website URL there. So okay, so you guys will also create your social bookmarking backlink in this website as well. and after another option is upload a file. So might be okay, so there you can create your video backlink, your image backlink as well. So suppose like if I'm going to create image backlink for my this blog, so suppose like I can copy this text title, then I can add some description there. So let's copy from the website and the add new tag. So digital marketing news, this is my tag. Privacy should be public, and after I can download this image. Set file, what is this? Set file and image, allow file type set, allow file type jpg and all the things. Okay, so I can upload the image. So I have completed all the things. You can acknowledge the terms and condition, and after you can click on the upload button, and here it is. You can see set file wasn't supplied and not valid image format allowed, existing jpg. I guess there is okay, so they only accept jpg bump. Okay, so they are not going to accept the webp file because I have this is in the webp. So suppose like I can upload this image as well only, and I can show you how it could be going to look. Also, you guys will need upload you guys will need to upload 2 to 3 images there, png, and after I can click on the upload button. Let's see. So please select the following. Error, not valid file format allowed, extensions only, file type. Okay, so you guys will explore how you can create your image backlink in this website, because they are allowed to upload the file type kind of set file type. I don't know what is this. And also there is an option to you guys will create a video backlink. So log into YouTube. I guess they are asking for the login to YouTube, might be. So you can go to explore these things, and this is your profile URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is an instant approved backlink. There we created a social bookmarking backlink, and this is our profile backlink. And you can see this is a do follow backlink. And if I can show you about the social bookmarking, so this is as well the do follow backlink. So we created or backlink, multiple backlink in this website. And if you wanted to publish videos there, you need to log in your YouTube. So now we completed all the things in this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys will share the thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. So from there you guys will going to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.